By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently tell the time in English. When the clock shows a full hour, like 1 euro or 3 euro, we say o'clock. This is the simplest way to express time. For example, if the clock says 2 euro, we say it's 2 o'clock. Next, let's talk about half past. This is another common way to tell time. Half past means 30 minutes past the hour. It's halfway through the hour. If the clock says 3:30, we say it's 3:30, or 3:30. Both are okay. Easy, right? Now let's move on to quarters. When the minute hand is on the 3, it's a quarter past the hour. This means 15 minutes past the hour. You can also say 3:15. For example, if it's 7:15, we say it's a quarter past 7, or 7:15. When the minute hand is on the 9, it's a quarter to the next hour. This means 15 minutes before the next hour. So if it's 8:45, we say it's a quarter to 9, or you can say 8:45. What about times that don't fall exactly on the hour, half hour, or quarters? Don't worry, it's just as easy. We can say the hour first, then the minutes. This is a straightforward way to tell time. For example, if it's 6:10, we say it's 6:10. Simple, right? If it's 9:25, we say it's 9:25. You're getting the hang of it. Let's practice a bit. Practice makes perfect, after all. If the clock says 4 euro, you say, what? It's 4 o'clock. Great. You're doing fantastic. If the clock says 5:30, you say, what? It's 5:30. Perfect. Keep it up. If it's 7:15, you say, what? It's a quarter past 7. Awesome. You're almost there. And if it's 10:45, you say, what? It's a quarter to 11. Excellent. You're getting it. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Try asking your friends or family what time it is and practice telling them. It's a fun way to learn together. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful.